How to set a password to an Excel file. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the File Manager application. Now as you launch the File Manager, select or make a long press on the Excel file. Now as you make a long press, tap on the More section at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can see the option of Make Private. So just tap on Make Private and then it gives you a pop-up. So just tap on Make Private yet again. Now, in order to see if you have created a password over here, simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner and then tap on the private files. So when you tap on private files, you need to verify or you need to enter your passkey in order to view that Excel file. So here you can see there are two files over here. So you can just see the file or view the file only with a password. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.